Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. What are you looking at? 2016, 17, something like that, Cayenne. This is a Platinum Edition, so it's a base with some really cool stuff. But here's a pet peeve. So this car just got brand new tires before it came here to get brakes. So you know the fucking guy who had to take the wheels off knew this was a problem. All four wheels were a bitch to get off. It's really not that hard to fix it, folks. What are we going to do? Well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a little brake clean, and we're going to spray this on there. Now, here's the kicker. You get a little brass brush, and you clean off all the crap. Look at that. All the crap that's on there. And you just kind of keep doing that until you get down to metal. So we're not there yet. We need a little more brake clean. And then a little bit of moly lube, right? This is nickel based. So this is Porsche's high temperature, very fancy stuff. Just a little bit along there. And then the wheel will slide on and off without a problem. But you know this guy just put these on and the fucker just left them alone. So anyway, we're going to get those cleaned up on all four, and we'll show you what the finished product looks like. All right, so now that we got the new rotor on and the caliper torqued and all that, here's what I wanted to show you. You can see how you can just barely see the metal, right? Because we're not trying to change the shape of this thing, so we don't want to go after it with a Dremel or something like that. You know, back in high school, I think we used to call these like concentric hub adapters, or we were trying to be cool. Anyway, this is now the way the hub works, and that's what centers the wheel. So I've got just a tiny, tiny bit of the nickel-based anti-seize, and that's it. That's really it. Any more than that, right? You don't want it kind of melting and going in bad spots. But yeah, that's the extent of it. And the next time you go to take your wheels off, you will thank somebody for doing that, because now they'll just come off without having to beat on them and totally mess around with them. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. The only product we used here that was exciting was brake clean, a brass brush, and the Castrol nickel-based anti-seize. Not the silver shit that gets everywhere. This is nickel-based so that it doesn't melt when you're, see, that tiny little bit that I had on my fingers was enough to do all three of those pedals. So that's it. Next time, take the wheels off. It won't be a total chore. Hey, check us out at BreitWerks.com if you like videos like this. Hit that subscribe button. Have a fantastic day.